All right, so we are back another week after the full new moon that we had. And remember when I planted them squash seeds? Well, here they are. Look at the beauties. I planted the squash seeds in the seed starter the seed starter container that I have for them, and look at them. They're thriving. We are going to transfer these today. Our garlic is thriving too. We're going to transfer our garlic into a bigger container, and then our sage is thriving. You see our sage? So we're going to transfer our garlic that we have in here, the squash, and this is how, well, I'm doing a video on this one, and I'm probably going to put the papaya tree video up, but these is how the papayas, I have to actually cover the soil up because it got overwatered. So I had to put some new fresh soil on top of it. That's how the other papayas are doing. They're not really doing. They're thriving, but this got to get the soil maintained on those. These are how our tomato plants are doing. They're you see one right there trying to pop up right there. It's, where is that at? I can show you real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and transfer. I guess I can zoom in on it. See, that's how that one is doing. And then a little quick glimpse of our bell peppers, of how our bell peppers is doing. That's how that one is doing. So they're coming along. We did a harvest already on the other peppers. We did a farm to table. Check that video out, our farm to table video. And yeah, and these are zinnias, so more are popping up. More zinnias are popping up. That's an update on that. So if you love butterflies, if you want to attract butterflies for your pollination, for your garden farm, plant zinnias. Get you some zinnia seeds. Everything is online. All seeds are online. You can get all seeds online. You can barter with different communities, different gardens, different farms around the world, worldwide. You can barter worldwide. You can get seeds worldwide, bring them worldwide, and plant on the land. We want to replenish the land, restore the land, restore the Garden of Eden. That's our mission and our motto, to restore the Garden of Eden and recreate the bartering system. So let's get started. I just got some fresh soil. You want to get your shovel? Your mini shovel to put the soil in the buckets. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna dump all this soil right here. So we're planting some new seeds today too. All right, I'm putting all this soil on there. Snowball. All right. Snowball. Just break the soil down. Okay, break the soil down before you put it in the buckets, okay? These are the containers that we're using. Our sage one is going to go in this one right here. Our garlic is going to go in here. We're going to put the soil on those, Egypt. What you doing? Trying to sit down and stuff. You ready to put the soil in? Yes. Come on. You breaking the soil down? Okay, break the soil down and then I'll put it in. Oh, you know what? Okay, yeah, we're planting the, you know what? I'll take that back. We're planting the sage in here, and we're also putting the garlic in here. Because we're putting the sage, and then we're gonna get the other sage seeds and put it on the side. Put that one in the other sage seeds on the side. Alright, so we are going to be transferring the squash plants. So I'm thinking one right here in the corner, and then maybe another squash seed right here that we can plant. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Each hand me that little small shovel. Hand me the small shovel. Okay, while she's doing that, see, it's easy to pop out. You got it? All right, bring it here. Not that one, but okay, it's okay. Yeah, bring me that. I wasn't talking about this one, but she broke me this. All right. Yeah, not this one, but I meant the other one. So we're gonna break the roots a little bit. Set that one right there. See? And for this one, I need the other shovel. Then we're going to plant right here a squash seed, which we have all of our seeds right here drying out because it rained. So all of our seeds are drying out. So we're going to plant another squash seed, right? So I'm just going to poke a hole in it. Oh, it's a lot of fire ants over here. I don't know what they're doing. Cover that up right there. And then I have some yellow squash that I'm planting today. And I'm putting the sage right here. And I need to go get the sage seeds that I'm planting today. So this is the sage that we're transferring. And then I'm planting sage seeds to go right here. So I'm planting that sage right in the middle. Then I'm putting some sage right here on, oh, y'all can't see. So I'm planting this sage seed right in the middle, And then I'm going to be, oh, it's a worm right there. Here, help me put the worm in the compost. I had to change my hat. This is my favorite hat. I'd rather have this hat on because it protects the sun more. Okay, so now now I have my sage seeds. We're putting this one in the middle of that. Oh, a sage leaf came up. I guess that's for me. It's gonna be for me. Okay, right in the middle. See? So we're transferring that. It smells so good. And this is what the sage seeds look like. I'm going to show you what sage seeds actually look like. Might have to turn the camera around. This is what sage seeds look like. So we're planting them. We're transferring. That's from a seed. I'm telling y'all, everything is from a seed. Everything is from a seed. So we're gonna sprinkle some seeds right there. Sprinkle some seeds right there, and these can't be overwatered, or they're gonna mess up. You can't overwater sage. We're just gonna sprinkle some right there. Gonna have these sage seeds jumping. Alright, so I went ahead and planted all of the sage. I'm just letting them know that this is sage. Planted sage all right there, all right here. So now we have our ginger that we're going to transplant. Alright, we're also gonna be planting something in these two, but now we're moving on to our garlic. Transplant. These is my knee pads. I had on some knee pads. need to get some more dirt. Yeah, gotta get some more dirt. All of this we're gonna be putting garlic in. So I'm gonna fill this up with some more dirt. So we're gonna fill this up to the top, and this is what we're putting garlic in. This one a little bit soggy. Let's see, probably just don't judge me on how I just did that. I'm separating them. And I'm gonna show y'all how it look. It's best I did that anyway, so they roots can like separate and spread out. It's best I had did that anyway. The soil was too moist. Alright, now I'm about to go put just a little bit of water on all of these, and then the That's it. I topped all of them with soil.